Hi, I am Revati Shankaran. You all must have enjoyed my Twinkle Twinkle Mini Star. How about a mega star now? Here we go. There was a little girl who was hardly 4 years old. She came and told her grandmother, Daddy Ma, I have learnt a new rhyme you want to hear. The grandmother was so happy because she called her Daddy Ma. So she said, yes baby, sure, I'd love to listen to you. So the little girl went on like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. That uncle is looking at me. I'm feeling so shy. I wonder what you are. Up above the world, so high like a diamond in the sky. Grandmother was very happy. The neighbor, a Malayali, heard this. He said, Valara nannai irukkunnilla ee paattu njan paadam. Then he started singing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Then his neighbor, a Punjabi, heard that. He said, Arey, wah, 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 bahut acha hai. Then he started singing in his own style. Hi, hi, hi. Wah, twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, oh twinkle, twinkle, oh twinkle. Then a Bengali Moshe heard that. He said, Bah, এত ভালো গান আমি করি, এরা সব কি গায় বাবা, ভালো লাগে না. Then he started singing in his own style. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high you, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high you. Then a Gujarati bhai, Keshubai Patel, heard this. He thought that should be sung like this for Garba. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Then an ustad from Lucknow heard this. He said, Wah, 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 bahut khoob, bahut khoob. Then he thought this will be a very beautiful way to sing this. How? I twinkle, star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, Then a Marathi gentleman thought this should be sung in an abhang form. Twinkle, twinkle, Vithala, how I wonder what you are. Vithala, Vithala. Then a man from Karnataka heard that. Yenrido. Then he started singing in his own style. He thought that should be sung as a lullaby. How? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle. He fell asleep. దెన్ మనవాడు ఒక ఆయన విన్నాడండి. ఆయన అన్నాడు, ఏంటంటే వీళ్ళందరూ పాట పాడుతున్నారు, ఇది పద్యాలలాగా పాడాలి కదా, నేను పాడుతాను మీరు వినండి అని. ట్వింక్లూ ట్వింక్లూ లిటిల్ స్టారు, హౌ ఐ వండరు వాట్ యు ఆరు. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. In the sky. Then a guy from Tamil Nadu, he heard that this should be sung in a Carnatic form, either in Kalyani or in Vasanta. Let me sing in Vasanta because my wife's name is Vasanta. He started singing. Samagamadhanisa, Sanida Magaresa, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the bagel so high. Like a diamond in the sky, dani sani da dani da da maga maga is a twinkle, twinkle, little star. Then the Purohit heard this. He thought this is an ideal mantra for universal peace. While he was doing the puja, he chanted like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky, Dakshine Kirvengo. He asked for Dakshina. What would you give him? Okay. Thanks a lot for viewing this Twinkle Twinkle Mega Star. Bye.